Welcome to a journey toward wealth and prosperity. As we look forward to 2025, the financial landscape is poised for a significant shift. In this video, we will uncover the secrets to capitalizing on the anticipated market reversal, setting you on the path to financial success. Forget everything you think you know about investing in 2025 because the game just changed. Most people will either double their wealth or lose everything in the next 12 months. Why? Because the rules of money are shifting in ways we've never seen before. AI stocks, overhyped. Housing market, a ticking time bomb. Crypto could hit 200K or crash overnight. If you're not preparing right now, you're already falling behind. But don't worry, I'm about to break down exactly how to profit in 2025 with the most effective investment strategy you'll find anywhere. So hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get into it. The stock market, boom or bust. The media is screaming recession and bubble, but what does history tell us? Since 1928, the S&P 500 has never lost money over a 20-year period, no matter the crashes. In 2008, investors who stayed in the market tripled their money by 2019. The 2025 stock market prediction, Goldman Sachs predicts S&P 500 will hit 6,500. UBS warns that 6 of 7 bubble indicators are flashing red. Interest rate cuts could fuel a market rally, but also reinflate inflation. What's the smart move? Don't panic, don't sell. Follow the all-weather portfolio. 40% S&P 500, broad exposure. 20% tech growth stocks, AI, EVs, 15% bonds for stability. 10% Bitcoin, hedge against inflation, cash to buy dips. % gold, insurance for chaos. The housing market, buyers versus sellers. Everyone says real estate is too expensive, but something big is about to happen. Trump's new policies could slash housing costs by 15 to 20%. Mortgage rates could drop from 7 to 4% by 2026. But home inventory is at a 50-year low, so demand will still be insane. Is 2025 the right time to buy? If you're renting, keep renting until mortgage rates fall. If you must buy, negotiate hard and wait for distressed sellers in Q3, Q4. Smart investors are looking at multifamily units and short-term rentals in high-growth states, Texas, Florida, Arizona. Bitcoin just had its best year since 2020, and it's only the beginning. Spot Bitcoin ETFs are bringing in billions from institutional investors. Predictions: Standard Chartered, 100K by end of 2025. Galaxy Digital, 1 in 85K. Nexo, 250K. But here's the real money move. Instead of chasing the hype, follow the Bitcoin halving playbook. Buy Bitcoin ETFs, safe and regulated. Dollar cost average weekly. Ignore the short-term volatility. Want higher returns? Look into Ethereum and Layer 2 scaling solutions like Arbitrum and Optimism. Wall Street is already moving in. The hidden wealth opportunities in 2025. Most investors miss the biggest opportunities because they're distracted by hype. Here are 3 plays no one is talking about. 1. Treasury bonds, 5-6% returns, risk-free. The government is paying 5++ interest on 1-year treasury bonds, 0 risk, guaranteed return. Instead of holding cash, park it in T-bills and beat inflation. 2. AI stocks, but not the obvious ones. Nvidia, Google, and Tesla are already overvalued. The smart money is looking at AI infrastructure companies. AMD, chips powering AI. ASML owns the most advanced chip tech. PLTR, AI-driven defense and data security. 3. Private equity and alternative investments. Wall Street is moving into startups, real estate syndications, and alternative assets. You don't need millions. Platforms like Fundrise let you invest in private real estate with as little as $100. The ultimate 2025 wealth plan. Most people will sit on the sidelines watching other people make money. Here's your step-by-step playbook to getting rich in 25. 1. Invest 50% of your portfolio in the all-weather strategy. 2. Put 20% in crypto, but only in blue-chip assets, BTC and ETH. 3. Use 10% for high-yield T-bills to generate passive income. 4. Put 10% in alternative assets, real estate, startups, private equity. 5. Keep 10% in cash for emergency dips and opportunities. Final thought. Most people fail in investing because they lack a plan and react emotionally. Stick to this strategy, stay consistent, and you'll be ahead of 95% of investors by 2026. If this strategy makes sense to you, smash that like button, subscribe, and comment. 2025 wealth plan below. I'll be answering comments personally to help you build your best investment strategy. In conclusion, while the 2025 market reversal may present challenges, it also offers unparalleled opportunities for those prepared to seize them. By following these strategies, you can transform uncertainty into prosperity, paving your way to wealth. Thank you for joining us. Stay informed, stay proactive, and most importantly, stay motivated.